addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Oh, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is
Honey, please. I am so sorry. I am now a new creature. Whatever you want, I will do it, I promise. I'm so sorry, please.
My lawyer will speak to you. Oh yes, I've instructed him to serve you papers, divorce papers. So the process is ongoing.
Why?
Why? I'm done with you.
Honey? Honey? Did I hear well? Oh no, he loves me so much to do that. No. I know he loves me a lot. He can't leave me. He can't leave me. It's not possible. Where are you going?
Hey, stop! I'm leaving. Did you hear what I said? I'm leaving the house for good because this house is no longer safe for me. So, enjoy.
No. Honey, please. I beg you. Please don't do this to me. You know that I love you so much. You know I love you from the depth of my heart. Please, I beg you.
Hey. I'm done with you. I'm done with this marriage. I can no longer take things anymore. I'm done. Oh yes! Let me tell you something. I know that if I leave, I know you will sell this house and probably use the money you will get from it to buy drugs. It's up to you. I leave it up to you.
No.
Enjoy. Go ahead. If you want to die. If you want to do drugs, continue.
No, I won't do it again.
Continue. I'm done with you. Get out!
What do you think I'm changing, promise?
Get out!
Oh my God. Hey, he left me. Run is gone.
Person when no go school na pokwan chananya ina onye na galo school na pokwe wananya no maka no wela no such a person you no get him out the mother na even ike o joy person when no go school na pokwan chananya joy
anyone at home? Who's there?
Such a person, you go get him out.
Hi. My brother, how are you?
Who be your brother?
You're my friend.
Come, no, talk nonsense. Who be your friend? What did they do for you?
Well, he didn't even offer me seat. It's fine. Calm down, okay? I'm not here for us to fight. Just calm down.
What do you then come? No, they talk.
Well, in life, calm down, okay? In life, when we see a thing, we will like that thing and we will go for it. We will desire it. But at the end of the day, when we must have gotten it, we realize that it doesn't really belong to us.
That's a thing. Well, also, This nonsense capability where you talk now. How you take consign me? Eh?
Well,
How you take answer it? Waiting me, I just ask you. What do you they do for here?
okay, let me answer you. I remember I took Flora from you. I'm here to tell you officially that my hands are off. I'm no longer interested. She's no longer mine, okay?
Look at you don't suffer. Oh. You don't suffer. Pontius Pilate. You want to wash away your hands is not there. You know say you and fish brain, eh? Now 5 and 6. You don't get sense. You washed your hands. Pontius Pilate. Eh? When you they tell me say you don't stay away from how you take speak that in glamour. Stay in, if I see you close as massacres. When you they speak and you don't know, eh? My friend, go and wife your wife. No, make I not see you here talk. No, you the craze. You the craze. Which one says you come tell me?
Brother.
Eh?
Calm down, okay?
Now me you want give expired goose. Because the goose don't expire, you define me. Eh?
Calm down.
Oh, Elifo. Oh, come on, mind that wogi there. No, come on to tell me to calm down. Get out of here, also.
She's no longer my wife. Oh yes, I heard she was betrothed to you. I heard that.
That's what me I hear now. I hear she betrothed it to me. As she betrothed. Anything where you want make it be. Just get out of here. Don't come here, they talk nonsense. I don't want you.
Well, I can picture the problem. You don't have the capacity to go for her, right? Because she's expensive. I will support you. I'm a good friend, okay? I'll give you financial assistance. I will sponsor your wedding. I will sponsor even... I'll help you start up a business. A good one so that I can take care of her. I want her to be yours. I want you to marry her. Eh? I'll sponsor. I'll try. Right?
Picture my problem. Or picture my problem. You know, say this thing where they here, this my hook where they use catch fish. Now they come. Now here. Now I go put them.
Hey.
I go come out.
Hey.
Come out this ototo.
Hey brother, let me finish.
No. Come on my problem.
How much do you want?
I'll come on my problem. Now wait till you talk now.
How much do you want? How much? I'll give you money. Okay. I will sponsor your wedding. I will sponsor you. I will give you money to establish yourself. Right? You will take care of her. Don't worry. I will help you. I don't need her. Take her. Hey, brother, no. Stop.
I'm walking. You want give me expired goods? No, Bia now. Now use this sugar on your neck. It's after when I expire. You want give me expired goods? Good. Come tell me rubbish.
This life I can't give myself. I can't keep myself, this life I can't keep myself, Allow me to rest you. I beg make I say for this more. No be every time you push gate go left, push gate go right. Hey, it's like no easy. Which finger be this one now? So this one will be father finger. Na caretaker finger. No, I even pass caretaker. Which caretaker want to this thing? Landlord finger. Okay, use your visa well. Don't come back. Don't even come back again. I can take care of this house. Child. This life I can't give myself. Allow me to rest you. Child. Small madam, where did they come from? I think all of them don't run come up for this house. So where they come from?
My daddy. I want to see my daddy.
You want to see your daddy? See, make I tell you, Your daddy don't come up for this house. Your daddy and mommy, they don't travel, go abroad. Nobody there here again. No only they here now, caretaker. Nobody there here. What thing they do you now? Why you they behave like this? Small madam, come. What did they do you?
You mean you sent your wife out of your house? No. I left the house for her. I fled from the house because I don't want to dine with the devil. Because I do not want to dine with a drug addict. So I left the house for her. I know it's not safe living with that kind of animal under the same roof. I even divorced her legally.
What? You did what? No. This is a sad story. Eh? So where is she now?
Do I know? Maybe she will be in the house. Or she has returned to her father's house.
No, guy, you messed up. You messed up now. Eh? How would you do such a thing? Eh? You shouldn't have allowed her to go. Even if you don't want to marry this girl, at least you should have at least sent her for rehab. Eh? Now let me ask you a question. How would you feel seeing that girl mad on the road? Your own wife.
Kelvin, you are a medical doctor. If you want to help her, I will not stop you. You can go ahead and do it, right? Did you hear what I said? But I want you to know that I'm done with her. She's no longer mine. So, stop bothering me with all this sermon. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. How many times will I say that?
You are not interested. Now let me tell you something. All this action you are taking, you will regret it right now. Eh? Don't say I did not warn you. Eh? Because when the time comes, I will not even listen to you.
She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Boy, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is game. Something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. Boy, she got the addiction. She can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is game. Something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone. She got the addiction, she can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she need is love, and all she need is escape. Something to hold on to and let go her addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit. Can't leave it alone.
I can't see your people next week.
Wow! I'll be the happiest girl on earth.
You tell me, me I go very happy. You know, now since me I don't I supposed to do it. My uncle Bobo.
She got the addiction, she can't leave it alone. So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit that ruins her personality. That is where we have the problem. But all she needs is love, and all she needs is escape. Something.
Is this not the guy you said was betrothed to you?
Not she now.
What's she doing here?
I don't know. I hear say she they take plenty drug. So drug don't they make her, she don't they mad. You know, see, eat it, do not drug now. Not drug.
I think she needs help.
Help? Ha! Make her go tell her, you come up for here.
No. You can't do that. Can't you see she needs help?
Yeah? No, make her tell her, make her come up for here. If Papa enter this place now, big problem.
Just calm down. I'm not even sure the parents are aware she's here. I think you need to talk to her. She needs help.
Wait first. Flora, make you go. Wait, you come for here.
Shouting.
What you they do for here? Make you go your house too. I don't want problem at all. Luo. Make you go.
My money.
Which money? You keep any money for here?
Yes. Come back for the money. I need money now.
So now you keep the money. The team go. If you go, I go and assemble the money. I give you the money back. The money you know there for here. Make you go. I go bring the money. Give your gate man. He go give you. Make you.
Money.
Oh, okay. Make her go. Make her go bank. Bring the money for bank.
Thank God she's here.
Did they find her?
We are looking for her. Come, let's talk, let's talk.
Talk.
My name is Delvin. I'm a medical doctor. Flora's husband is my very good friend, but that is not why I'm here. I want to beg for a favor.
Talk now, they hear you.
Is she your wife?
You won't get married.
But that's not a problem. Anything you want him to do, he can do it, so long it makes her get better.
Alright, there is no problem. As I speak with you now, you are the only hope she has now. Her husband and her parent has abandoned her. I will commence treatment on her, but one thing is paramount on her treatment.
Which is?
Care. And if possible, love.
Okay, that's not a problem.
What do you mean it's just a problem? Who want they give the care and love?
What is it?
Tell you this doctor, make it carry and they go their house now. I don't want to do anything at all.
Do you want her to go mad on the streets? Will you be happy then? If there's anything we could do to help her, then let's do it. If we leave her like this, I won't be happy. I'm going to live with the guilt for the rest of my life.
But we will not be secure now. Now doctor will be secure now.
It's okay, doctor, we're going to help.
See, me, I no get problem. Oh. If you say you do okay, me, I do okay. If you say she stay for a year like that, then no problem now. Make she then.
See, guy, calm down. I promise you she will not disturb your marriage plan. Don't even let her know that you want to get married. Eh? When she gets well, she will leave. And you people will continue your marriage life again. Eh? Please, let's just save life.
This one, where they do head like this, go leave.
Don't worry, she will be fine.
Me, I no get problem. Oh.
Please.
If my wife say he like him, then so be it now.
Okay, it's fine, okay? I'm with you in this. Okay?
You agree?
Please.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Where you go, my love?
Did you call me your love?
You be my love. I love you well.
So you still love me?
I love you well. No cry, yeah? No cry. I still love you. Me a day. A day here. I know they go anywhere. Yeah?
So you still love me? Like this?
Like this, me I still love you well.
Even in my condition, like this.
Like this, you fine. Like this, your hair, everywhere fine. I still love you, now. No cry now, no cry. Eh?
I'm sorry for everything.
Make I scratch. Yeah? Sorry.
I'm sorry for everything. Please, will you forgive me?
I forgive you. Everything I forgive. My neck in the hold am.
See, I will do anything. I'll do anything. Anything you want me to do, I will do it. I'll do it.
Anything I tell you, go do am.
I'll do it. Anything.
Okay. See. You know, say you're a very fine girl. And me, Dikeh, I love you. I love you well. But you get what I want to make you do. If you do me, I go day here. I no go anywhere. Morning and afternoon and night. Me and you go day. We go stream. We go catch fish. Me and you will go stream, go catch fish, go roast the fish. Me and you will go chop them, go use pepper and chop the fish. But you see, I want to make you stop the take this drug. Don't take drug, we no good for you. You stop drug, me I love you well. Stop drug, no they do am at all. At all, me no they do am. Yeah. Tell me truth, say you stop.
It's hard. I will stop.
No hard. Me, if you put your mind, say, I no do again, no, at all, you no go do am. Now you say I no go do am. Me, I go help you.
I will stop.
You talk true.
Even if it will cost me my life.
No talk am. Do like this. No. Nothing will happen to your life.
I can't believe someone will love me like this.
Somebody go love you now, and I mean Dikeh, I go love you. If you stop and drug, me I go love you.
I will stop.
No do again, no, at all. No. Only go to doctor now. Say you want run, no. You want run, no. Son is not picking. You stay quiet, don't go think your feet. Call. This one I'm madness. Now the same thing.
Hello?
In one hand you come out. The second hand come out. I will leave her. Call the doctor now.
Hold her well.
You stay quiet. Stay tired.
She have an addiction. She can't live with it. It's obvious that she can't deal with it. She have an addiction. It's a chronic habit.
All right. Okay. So you go come again. I'll come back.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you.
So what is the remedy to her predicament? She is an angel, and she got a very good heart, but she got a habit.
Dikeh, you are making mistakes. So, do you think it is the right thing to do?
Myself, I don't know what they do. I don't know. But what I know be say, this thing what they do, now because of Nonya I do am. If you no be Nonya, I no go fit do am.
What if you end up falling in love with Flora? It will be a very big problem.
They tell you, na big problem. You know, say that time when she hugged me, it be me like saying a dream come true. I don't know what I want to do. Make it tell me what I want to do because as I do so now, my head they tell me do this one they tell me do this one. My head it be like say they fry popcorn inside.
Dikeh, you are falling in love, oh. You know, you are falling in love with this girl, oh. Eh? Be careful, oh. My heart no dey, be careful.
Now him they tell you now, make you tell me what I want to do.
Telecom
Because to me I love Flora. Flora na him be my first love. You self you know. Me I love Nonya. Nonya come when be say my life is shatter. She come in, she bring me luck. She come in, she bring me business. Make you know everything now.
I know.
So me I love Nonya. Me I love Flora. Two women. I love two women. I don't know who I want follow.
So what do you want me to do? To tell you what to do? As telecom.
They talk something, you talk, carry your big head, nothing there inside. You know if you give person, you know if you tell person what you want to do. You don't know anything at all. You. This your head, nothing there at all.
No one.
So as you can see, she's very fast in recovery.
Now, very true now. You know they do head like this again. Everything done they okay. Eh?
Flora.
Thank you so much, Doug. Thank you. I am still finding it very difficult to believe that I can stay without having the urge to get high again.
Enough for your mind. It's inside. If you say I no do again, no, it go stop. Very like that.
Wait. Hey guy, don't conclude so fast. A lot still need to be done. But we have progress already.
I'm so happy, thank God. I can't wait to see you recover completely. Dikeh, who is this girl that's always with you? Who's she to you? Oh, it's okay. I'm one of his staff at the fish farm. So when I saw your situation, I decided to stay back and help. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
Fish farm.
So, I have to put my leg now.
Can I?
But he's really good outside. He said he wants to see you.
Who is he?
I've never seen him before.
Come, let's go. Let's go and see.
I tell you now, for 4 days now, I never seen Nonya.
So have you tried checking her on his house?
I don't go there. She know there. I call her phone. I call her. Phone, you don't answer me.
You finally dump Nonya. It won't be funny, oh. It won't be funny.
Who talk to say I want dump her? I beg you know they talk this thing you talk. If Flora do okay, Flora go. Flora no go there for my house forever now.
Come on, you have to do something. Oh. I'm telling you, Nonya was there when you had nothing. She was the one that brought the initiative that made you who you are now. I'm telling you, no, use your brain, oh. Use your head. Come on,
I know everything when you talk. Na truth. But me, I don't know where I want see her now. I don't call the phone, you know, answer me. We are go find her, nah. I don't know. Eh?
We'll keep finding her now. We'll keep looking for her. Let's just go down. I'll go.
Nonya? Maybe no be Nonya be this. Nonya, what did they do you now? When you see me, one run.
I'm sorry.
You sorry? What thing happen? Why do you know they pick my call? I don't they call you, make I tell you, say I they carry my people, come your place, come pay bright. You know pick, you know call me back.
Nothing.
Nonya, waiting be nothing now. Not be you are the talk to. Make you stop to tell me where you waka go now. Uncle. Auntie, I beg you, make una help me ask Nonya. What you do am? Nonya open mouth to tell me say you know they interest in me. Nonya open mouth to tell me say you know do again. Make una help me ask her. What you do am? I want use my ear hear what you do am.
Nonya, is that true?
Chimo, what happened? Did he wrong you in any way? Nonya?
Samo.
Mama, I'm not in love with him.
Hey, see, this girl can never change. So what happened to the love you had for him earlier? Why does it suddenly disappear?
I'm in love with someone else.
Huh?
You say? What you talk now? A lot someone else. Why you not tell me now? Nanya, why you not tell me?
I didn't know he was going to come back. When I saw him, I noticed I was still very much in love with him.
You are very stupid.
And he's the father of my child.
Honey, I'm sorry for everything I have done. I'm sorry for everything I have caused you. It wasn't easy for me.
You told me to abort the child.
Oh, yes, I did. But it wasn't easy for me, baby. It was so difficult that I couldn't even feed. I was in a very critical condition. It was so bad that I couldn't even feed, let alone taking care of a child.
So what do you want now?
Baby, I want my love back. I mean, I want my love back. I can do anything to make sure I get it back.
But you left me.
Oh, baby. I left for a greener pasture. I left for greener pastures, baby. As you can see, I've made it. I made it for you and I, baby. I could have married anyone over there, but I said to myself, I need to come back home. I have a baby, a sweetheart here at home. That's why I'm here for you, baby. Please, accept me back. I know it's broken, baby. I know it's broken, but we can fix it. We can fix it. Please, accept me back. Accept me.
This girl, you must be very stupid. Eh? You are still in love with him. After what he did to you, you want to still go back to him? Eh?
Okay, Nonye, where is he now? Eh? A bird at hand is better than 10 in the bush. How are you sure he will not disappoint you again?
He's the one.
Authority Adora, thank you for everything when you do for me. God will bless you. Hmm? God will bless you. I wish you know well. Hmm? I go. No problem, Baba.
You can see, take it.
No.
Take it easy.
I will see you later. Where to?
Dikeh, I appreciate you for taking care of me. You're a good person. Thank you for showing me love. Though I knew you were faking it just to make sure I get healed. But I still deeply appreciate it. And I'll keep you here forever.
No, me, I love you very, very much. I know you play. Oh.
I overheard you planning to settle down with her. And I wish you both well. At this point, I think I'm strong enough to continue my life from here. I heard my mother is back. So I would want to go be with her so that you can enjoy your home with your wife. Thank you. I really do appreciate. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
No marriage, yo.
My daughter, we are sorry. We are sorry for leaving you to go through your trying situation all alone. Honestly, I am supposed to hide my face in shame.
Don't sound that way, Mom. You know, after all this, it made me understand the true meaning of life. And surviving it is a second chance to me.
When I heard about your mental state, I cried helplessly. I mean, how did you heal? The way I heard about it, I was afraid not to meet you at a dump site when I returned.
I was scared for my life.
I almost went mad. It was still Dikeh who saved me.
I wronged that young man. I owe him an apology. At a point in my life, I became so obsessed with my achievements that pride took over the better part of me. The story I heard about your brother humbled me.
What happened to my brother?
I went looking for him. And when I got there, I found that he has become a great man. I can't even explain the volume of his affluence. He contested for a post in the federal government election and he won.
Wow! That's good news.
Good news indeed. Your brother challenged me. Here I am, wallowing in my supposed euphoria of affluence. I couldn't even win an ordinary House of Assembly election after contesting several times. Your brother won a federal one, abroad for that matter. Your brother told me that if I sell everything that I have, everything that I've made in my life, that my worth is not up to 10% of his net worth. He told me that I should sell everything I have and donate them to charity. I was challenged. I was humbled. He challenged me to be a better person.
Wow. I am so happy to hear this, Dad. This is good.
He said anytime I set my eyes on you, that I should bring you. He has made luxurious provision for you and your husband.
Sadly, we're no longer together. We are divorced now, and I am happy about it. I am happy it happened early. Brian was never there for me. He never stood by me. But even in my flaws, Dikeh stood by me and made sure I was fine.
Dikeh, you know I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I just hope that you will stay with him this time.
Mommy, he's getting married next weekend.
Oh my God, come here. It's okay.
No.
Papa?
Kingsley.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine. Hope you are getting better. Well, Papa, I came to tell you something.
What is it?
It's about your children, Orisa and Chima.
Those ones? They used
used to be my sons. But now there are animals in the bush. But what is it?
Well, I don't really know how to say it.
Say it anyhow.
Okay. Papa, Orisa and Chima, we are confirmed dead in the hotel room at Enugu. But their bodies are in the mortuary now.
My sons. Dad? Hey! My sons!
Papa, can you do me what here? Papa? Where now, sir? Papa?
Dikeh. Oh, you know where? See, something bad happened now. Your uncle and the two sons are all dead. So the elders asked me to call you. So, Gaga.
Want to see me for what now? No, tell me, they want to see me for what now? Huh? I be mortuary and attendance. And they work for mortuary.
See, you know you are the only surviving son now. The only male child now in this family. So all the properties belong to you. Eh? So we need to go there.
See me for waiting now. They don't need me when they are alive now. Now when they die, now they want to see me. Let the dead bury the dead, you. As you see me I don't go anywhere. I don't go anywhere. The one that bother me now, not being my uncle talk.
Eh?
Yes, Nan.
How?
I see Nonye with the man. One man where I don't know. Face to face for my eyes, kolo.
How?
I don't lie. Nonye tell me, say you don't love me, face to face. He tell me he don't love me, face to face. He follow another man in Wakago. He leave me there.
Okay, what about Flora? Is she inside?
That one, he go in Papa house. He know me, I want married Nonye. So he carry him back. He say they go in Papa house. Nonye, he follow another man in Waka, go in Papa house. As I sit down for here now, Abomero no baraka no one.
Let's go and see the elders first.
See elders for waiting. This thing why they tell you, you don't even say yeah. You just say go see elders.
Ha. Okay, hey, yeah, with the problem. Hey, yeah.
Make you calm me down. I don't do bad thing for this life. Where I not go find the love for.
Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yeah.
Which kind of yeah see they talk for here? If you want to talk with yeah, you talk and well now. They sing choir for here.
Tell me, say you're not happy for this news what I give you. Are you not happy for the news? Let's go, please.
This life not just good for me. Nothing will I do. But they work for me. Lord, believe me. I can't go. My papa and mama, sister, leave me. Leave me, I can't go. Nothing will I get again. Nothing remains for this life. The only thing will remain, I can just die. I can just die, go. I can just die, come over this wicked world. Please, for dear. Nothing will bother me.
Dikeh, I love you. I heard she's married to someone else. And that only means one thing. It means we are meant to be. So handsome. So caring. You are my king. My love. My pride. You are trying to kill yourself. Well then, you would have to make room for two. Because I am going to die with you. And in the world beyond, I will show you just how much I love you.
Such a person, you don't get him out. The mother and I even Joy, person when I go to school. Now, for one channel, Joy, on your girl school. Now, for we one Joy, my gun well on no. Such a person, you don't get him out. The mother and I even it is understandable to be poor. It is understandable to be illiterate. But poverty plus illiterate. While I day, mana o mebu mo benye takwana efine welodo. Neno wanana chiana chulo yijio. Oh. We no go school na pokwancha nanya Imanonye na galo school na pokwe wananya no Maka no wela no Such a person you no get him out The mother na na ibenike Joy, person we no go school na pokwancha nanya Joy, onye na galo school na fukwi wananya Joy, makano mwelo no Such a person you no get him out The mother na ife nikeno